Yo, Ringo. A good vibes. Release stress. Feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Release stress. Him feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Ringo could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Power, release stress. Ringo feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Yeah.
Ringo, what boxer? Yes, people, Wagwan, welcome to 24-hour kitchen. You know Wagwan, I'm outside right now. We're in week 9, day 3, week 9, giving back to the local community, feeding the homeless, getting people who've been out here for 9 weeks. Look Wagwan, come and look in the pot quickly, come and look in the pot quickly. That is it, people, yeah. A good vibe. 10. Next week, Monday, we're going into week 10 and there's bare surprises. But look, let me just show you what's happening. On the menu, we've got some white rice, people, yeah. It's not a joke thing, some white rice on the menu. And we've got big boy curry chicken, yeah. Look, curry chicken, potatoes, you understand? Carrots, beans, the whole work today. We went in today, you understand? We went in today. A good vibe, that is it. So, we're just going to start giving back to the local community and just feeding up the homeless right now, people, yeah. One love to each and every one of you that's been supporting on the movement. Our good vibe.
Sharing?
Yeah, we're sharing. We're sharing. You want food now?
You want me in the camera?
You want food now?
What you call?
Curry chicken and white rice.
I'll try some.
Alright, cool, no problem. Let's go.
Army,
Let's go.
Put on the back on the camera.
Put on the gun, yeah, man.
Run. Okay, come on, turn on the camera. No food. Just in now, because I have more food to eat.
Okay.
If it's 9 o'clock, get that in them and the food. And one more to say. If you're not human, I'm still fucking friend because I'm...
Wagwan. Guess what? We're here. End of week 9, day 3. 24-hour kitchen and team has been out here on a marvellous journey, giving back to the local community and helping the homeless. In week 9, it was crazy. Just check out the previous episode. Big up to Chef Ricardo, big up to Rix, big up to Fen, big up to Joseph. You understand? Big up to the community that's been supporting us throughout the journey. There's been local shops, big up to Ronnie as well, people here. You understand? A good vibe. So today on the menu, we've got curry chicken, white rice, you understand? And we're just going to feed up the people them, and that is it. A good vibe. So, yeah. Alright everyone, you know the importance of a healthy nutrition, yeah? It's all about the intake and what goes into your body. So, here at Joseph's School, he has all the necessary ingredients that are used for cooking. So we use things like red onions, garlic, ginger, carrot, thyme, scallion, and then we go into the root vegetable family, which is yam, dasheen, cocoa, edos, cocoa yam, different variations of yam from all around the world, from Asia, from South America, from Africa, and also the Caribbean. So our good vibes people, we've got callaloo, we've got green banana. You understand? If you want something refreshing, you can get coconut water. You can also get the sugar cane as well. That's also a refreshing juice to have. We've got the juicer right there, people, yeah. So whenever you're down in Surrey Street, make sure that you come and check Joseph. So look, these are the ingredients that we cook with. We cook with things like this: yam, sweet potato, green banana, sweet potato from Uganda, sweet potato from Jamaica, cassava, Jamaican pumpkin as well. So these are the ingredients that we use. Nice, fresh ingredients. You understand, people? Because especially for the people that we're cooking for, they're homeless and they're sleeping on the street. So we want, if we're the one that's giving them their first meals, it's a healthy and nutritious meal that's going to bring back the right nutrients in their body and give them the vibes. You understand, people? It's all about the right energy, and if you're not eating, especially if you're not eating 3 times a day, you need to eat at least one healthy meal that can carry you to the next day, people. Yeah?
Thank you very much for your support. Today we have a big pot of rice and chicken. Ringo Vision cooking. Today I make fruit boxes for the refugee families who can afford to buy. Yeah, the refugee children with the family who living in the, they are very scared. When I bring it to the fruit boxes, you see, I can see their face very happy, they very smiley face. Yeah, so this situation, we wanted to support the people who are in the fear. That's why today, myself, I make fruit boxes. You know, people around 40 people living, 40, 50 people living in the hotel there. So I take them, the fruit boxes to them. So we are one team, the Chef Ricardo, Ringo Vision, I'm Joseph in Surrey Street Market. We all together, we wanted to help and support the community who don't have a voice or who don't have a afford to buy the food. Thank you very much.
You, sir.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm okay. I'm just reading Revelation.
Reading Revelation?
Yeah.
Oh, you're reading the Bible?
Yes, sir.
That's good, man. The best thing ever in a Revelation.
I've read
End time.
the letters
Craig, what's
before.
going on?
I've read quite a lot of it, and I highlight it.
Yeah.
It's a good book to read, sir.
All right, people, because you can see with this is where they are creating right now at the moment. And Ringo Vision.
This man always comes out and helps who needs helping. All the time. You know? Thank you, sir. How are you? You alright? I'm very well, thank you, mister.
I must say it has been absolutely amazing, everyone. Week 9, the end of week 9. Thank you to each and every one of you that's been on the journey with us, giving back to the local community, helping the homeless. We've been traveling the streets of Croydon, from West Croydon to East Croydon, all around. Our good vibes, you know.
It's nice. It's alright, it's not spicy, it's perfect, it's very nice. And it's hot, and it's good for you. Very nice people, man. Thank you very much.
Yeah, all right.
Alright, yeah?
All day long, it's alright. Perfect, man.
Hold it up.
Yeah, man, we should.
Going back, you know what I mean? He's not out here to get money or anything. I was out here for the park. Park, man.
Coming from Pets, yeah.
Good. Form a queue. Form an orderly queue, please, people. No, I'm joking. It's all good, man. Love here.
Yeah, it's all about the
Nothing
love.
But, yeah, you know what I mean? Love.
As we're changing seasons, everyone, yeah, and we're going to be coming out of this summer vibration, the warmness, and we're going to be entering into like a colder period coming up towards the Christmas period. If there's any of you that are watching that have been supporting on the journey and you want to make a contribution, you want to make a give back, you can donate clothes, toiletries and things like that. You understand? Sleeping bags, and we're collecting from now just to build up towards the winter period to help those that are out on the streets living rough, just to give them a little comfort through this rough time that's going to be coming up. You understand, everybody? So yeah, man, all your support are welcome and also needed. Good vibes.
And this guy, the food is the best thing. And what that extra added, what you guys saying, like the banks, that's perfect. That's amazing. But the food is the main thing. You know, keeping people alive. No water or food. That's it. You know, but a lot of people out here made bad choices. I made very bad choices in life, and that's why I'm here. And I need to repent and work out what I'm doing now to get back to where I need to be.
You're doing the right thing. You're reading the Bible.
Oh, I'm on my work. Yeah, I've read Samuels and I've read Kings. I'm about to read Genesis. So yeah, I'm on it, and it helps me.
Keep it. Everybody, so you heard from that gentleman. Look, he said that, look, it's just essential help that we need out here to help to give back, and that's all it is, everybody, yeah? So big up yourself. We're on the mission. We're on the mission. I can't say too much, but we're doing it. We're doing it, yeah? No one talking, just doing more than talking, you understand? Big up yourself. One love, everybody. Outside.
I say this man's doing a good thing. He's doing an absolutely good thing doing this.
Yeah, boss. This is for you. One sec. Let me get you a fork, yeah? Feeding the homeless. Go away. Fork, tissue. For you as well. There you go, yeah. Thank you, yeah?
Can I go Queen's Park first?
I'll go Queen's Park.
Yeah. Cheers, man, yeah? Yes. So as we've completed 2 whole months, week 8 was 2 months, week 9 was 2 months, 1 week. We're going to be traveling into week 10, everybody. Yeah, congratulations. Good vibes.
Heavy, you know?
Huh?
I'm heavy.
Yeah,
You're heavy, huh?
yeah.
You want some tissue as well?
Some tissue in there, that's one. Alright, so our good vibes, we're here, we're by Queen's Park right now, and then we've given out a little bit of meals, but you know that we've got a long way to go because we've got a lot more meals to give out. Normally everyone kind of gathers here at Queen's Park in Croydon around 7. We're a little bit early today, so what's going to happen, we're just going to be travelling around town and just be picking everybody up as we go along, and then we'll circle back here if everything's not complete. You understand? We've got the gas cooker here, so we'll just turn it back on. Our good vibes.
Good vibes.
Yes, everyone. There was a radio station interview on Croydon FM 97.9. I'm going to be uploading the video on the channel, so if you haven't listened to the streaming and the audio, go check it out, everybody. Yeah, the link is in the community as well. Check that out, because it's also giving a bit more insight on the journey that we're on, giving back to the local community, feeding the homeless. You understand, everybody? This mission is all about building awareness in local communities and different places around the world, just to help and for us to be mindful when we go out that there is a lot of needs out here, not just needs that should be left to one side or brushed to one side, but things that are actually happening around the world that are life-threatening to others. sleeping rough, not eating a healthy meal. You understand? And this also develops loads of other problems with individuals like mental health. Like we could name all the things that comes from that, but let's just try and support the movement. We're here to feed 1 million people. We've completed a whole week 9, going into week 10, which we said that week 10 was going to be the last week, but we've got the incentives now, and we've built up all the energy, the vibes to go on all the way up until Christmas, everybody. I'll be doing a calculation of all the people that we've fed over the last 9 weeks, coming up to 10 weeks, and then I'll be giving you some numbers and some figures, and that hopefully should encourage us to be pushing on to get to our million people. Yeah, one love to each and every one of you that's been on the journey, that's been supporting. Our good vibes, these are good vibes.
It's good, I like what you're doing because you're showing people how it really is, you know what I mean? Yeah, they're awful. And there is some humanity still in the world. And you know what, I'm not being racist, it's always the black people that help me, always. I get 90% of people that help me are the black people. They are. And I hope that doesn't sound funny.
You're being honest.
No
worries. No worries. Focus you as well, yeah. Keep safe out here as well, yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, yeah.
Have a nice evening, guys. Thank you. Bye.
No, man, I'm not. You're really coming.
Stand back a little bit. You are on his own, mate. Yeah.
Yo, big man. Hey, big man. Yo, excuse me. Excuse me. Hello. Cook for you, yeah?
Yeah.
You have to get the angles, cuz we're active on the trolley properly. Get me. Walk on, Greg. Hold up. Oh, what's it? Walk on, Greg.
That what I've won, yeah?
Yeah.
Let me give you £3 for London.
I need one more for my bread.
I'm gonna come back.
You need to come
Hey,
back.
big man. You hungry? You're right, yeah?
I need one more.
Yes, everybody are good vibes. Everyone's asking how can we support the movement. If you are on the YouTube with us and you are following us on this channel here, you can support the movement by becoming a member to the channel. We've already got 3 members and I want to big them up. Alex S, he's been a member for 9 days now. And Rachel Batchelor, she's been a member for 17 days now. And TKGG joined 2 months ago. So we've got 3 members. So let's build up our community with more members. And what this aids, this just helps us to push the movement even further, to build the awareness and keep it going in the sense of traveling to different places, reaching out wider, and just to be up in the levels of the quantity of food that we're providing per day. You understand, people? Yeah. So yes, your support are needed. Everyone's been asking how they can support. Also, like I said previously earlier, we're going into a winter period, so just be mindful if you have any donations for like clothes, toiletries, things like that. Yeah, just contact me and then we can make arrangements. Everybody, yeah, our good vibes.
Bless you.
God bless you, my brother.
You food good. You all the time buy this food there.
This is free.
Here, this one. No touch.
Yeah,
No touch. Me no
to
touch.
keep pot safe.
Fine. Enough. But you give me fork.
Yes.
Good job.
And
Good,
tissue.
good job.
All right,
Thank
alhamdulillah.
you.
My brother. Mustafa. Respect, yeah. Respect, yeah.
MashaAllah. SubhanAllah. We'll get some of the gravy, inshallah. Yeah. Pepper. Yeah. Jazakallah khair. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, bro. Listen. Yeah. This is the first time I'm tasting these food.
You're gonna like it, sure.
Stop lying, man.
This is the first time.
You cook in the yard enough time, man.
Oh, yeah. Well, I was cooking though. You ain't cooking, yeah? You needed the dumpling, bro. Well,
My man's top man.
Yeah, man.
Top man.
He's always low. He's always about. When he says he'll be there, he'll be there.
And you know what, yeah? There's supposed to be a demonstration today, yeah? The mayor was saying yesterday that they're supposed to be coming down to the mosque, the EDO. Of course, today, yeah?
Go.
Let me see what I can do.
As well today, yeah?
Yeah, he said they're coming down today, so I don't know.
Nah, that.
Yeah, maybe they decided to Croydon is the place to be, yeah?
Yeah, no. Wash my hair and bring up.
Yeah. Love family. Thank you. God bless you.
You want to stop at that skin?
I don't know, they're supposed to be going down to the mosque there. It's supposed to be a peaceful demonstration. Yeah. So I don't know. I thought they would have been there already, so I don't know what's going on.
I want to tap up that screen, share the live. Hashtag FYP.
Thank you, my brother. God bless you.
What's up, tissue? I want to tap that screen, share the live.
This ain't even no poor man food. This is some top-grade food.
Proper food we're giving them, that's what I'm saying, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna step it up for the poor people. This is
Like, we're giving them some proper food. Yeah. You hungry, big man? You sure, yeah? Is that lady want food? Do you want some food? Yeah. Food to enjoy. From Jerk on area. Yeah.
Okay.
What's up?
It's for the homeless. It's for the homeless. It's for the homeless.
You want to tap up that screen? Got me achieve my goals as well. Got to get some donuts in there. Yeah. Big man, tissue. That's it, that is it, people. Alright.
Hello.
Do you not want food?
That's all right.
So now we've completed week 9 and we're going into week 10. So week 10, we're gonna try and go hard and go a few days, but what to look forward for on the journey coming, and we're going to be tackling different areas. So one of the areas that we're going to be going into is going to be Westminster and Camden, which is a next part of London, everybody. I've done a research and it comes back that Westminster has the highest populated area in London for homelessness and people sleeping rough, which is a total of 2,050 people. Wow, that's a lot of people on the roadside just out there sleeping rough, not eating properly. Do you know what I mean? So could you imagine all the disadvantages that comes with that also affects our local community? Do you know what I mean? So let's try and tackle that. Let's try and clean up our neighborhood. Let's try and get the vibration back. Let's try and rekindle back the love. You understand, people? Yeah, one love to each and every one of you that has been supporting Ringo and team on the journey. It's a good vibes, and we're gonna be going up until Christmas. I said this previously before. So yeah, man, just stay tuned with us. Keep on sharing, keep on liking. You understand? Keep on spreading the awareness, talking to it about friends. Those of you that can come out and see us and help in giving back and sharing food. Big up to those of you that came and saw us down at Joseph. Do you understand? To come and show support. Our good vibes, as always. You understand, people? Yeah. So one love until next time. That is it. Our good vibes. Yes, everybody. I just want to thank everybody that stayed tuned with this episode. The end of week 9. Pick up yourself. You don't know what I want. The outside people, yeah. It's been amazing today. You cook curry chicken white rice. Simple vibration, but very effective. And it's like a nice one. Everybody loves a curry. So we gave them the traditional curry with some potatoes in there and some beans and whatnot. Big up Chef Ricardo, big up Fen. We've been outside today. Big up Ronnie, big up Joseph. Our good vibes. Big up everybody that's been staying tuned and that's been supporting the whole movement. The next time you see us, we're going to be in week 10. Sister, the people them love it. We love being outside with you guys, and I hope you guys love being outside with us here. Until next time, week 9 and day 3. So I'll see you guys in week 10, people. Yeah, big up yourself. Bye.